Today we're going to do an experiment. Its aim is to obtain carbon monoxide 4 and test its properties. We need vinegar, baking soda, a bottle, funnel, balloon, flask, and a lit candle. How to do an experiment? We pour some vinegar into the bottle. Then we add 4 teaspoons full of baking soda. As the result, carbon monoxide 4 is liberated. We collect the carbon monoxide 4 inside the balloon and we pour it into the flask. Next, we pour it into a glass dish with the lit candle. Now let's explain what was happened. Baking soda affected by vinegar resolves according to the following equation. As a result, we obtain carbon monoxide 4, which we place in the balloon. Now, what are the carbon monoxide 4 properties? Carbon monoxide 4 is a chemical compound occurring as a gas substance. It is colorless and odorless. It can be stored in open dishes because its density is bigger than air's density. Carbon monoxide 4 is non-flammable and it doesn't keep up burning, which is proved by the extinguished candle light. Hope you've enjoyed the experiment. Thank you for watching.